Hello guys, it's G4 and welcome back to Phoenix Wright is attorney. So, in the last episode we are in the middle of the class examination with Miss Vasquez. And if I remember right, this should be her last testimony about this topic, so let's see here. What was everyone else doing at that time? Last question there, Phoenix. No one said a thing. No one? He was silent, completely silent. So he stood there until Powers finally arrived on the scene. Is that so? So they saw him late. Then, silence. That silence. Well, since they found that body, he can explain it, I guess. Silence. Like now. Whatever. Hey Nick. Why is everyone not so quiet? Someone should do something to light things up. Something like that, yes. Now let's see the second thing. Old bag. The security lady. Oh yeah? What did the security lady think about us at Donut? She said because she saw him doing tour to the studio. Right. He's still samurai. But press harder about this. The hit detective arrested Mr. Powers mission solely on the security lady's word? Perhaps not. She seems to have also given the detective the photograph. Of course, I heard all of this after the fact. Photograph, meaning the one taken by the security camera. But we'll know that it wasn't Powers in Myanmar. It's not known for exemplary the best sense of the judgment when it comes to Hammer. Yeah, it seems like she hated him for some reason, so yeah, I can see that. I don't think there is anything in there I can use. For now, no. But let's keep going with the class examination, and let's see what we can find, because you never know. You asked her to be left out? Suspicious there. Yes. It seems that everyone else was questioned. And I really not found other sort of things. But you can just decide who the police would and won't question. Thankfully the studio thinks otherwise. They were nice enough to understand that since we were in the meeting. There was no way we could have been involved. Those is we covered for us. Covered for you. Or covered up for you. I go with the second one. There must have been a lot of rings on it. Will those rings at the meeting? Sure, here a professional help convince everyone that they didn't require questioning. I think so too. Skaten and your director's notes. Yes, they are quite valuable. And I won't do have them stolen. I guess not. Yeah, but let's start about this, just in case. Wait a second. I thought you come to Studio 1 for a resolvers. Why didn't you bring your escape notes? Well, I was under the impression that we won't be able to restore anything. Oh really? Why is that? Why? There was some more there after all. Okay. Who could think of him first after that? Yes, so? Does not include you know before that happened, ma devi Miss Guess. Oh yeah, I guess. Very well. Miss Vasquez, please continue. Oh, Edgey! Your honor. I haven't objected to the witness last statement. The credit should be the Phoenix job, but okay? Think. Miss Vasquez said that she didn't bring the script because there will be a restless. Did you see what that means? She won't have the know about this more before going to the Studio 1. Oh, yes, that's very true, Edgey. Haha, surprised don't you? Haha. Order. Mr. Richard, what you have just said is a reasonable observation. However, I find it hard to understand why the prosecution will make such a move. Or are you thinking of a gentle defense? I appreciate the concern, Your Honor. I will stand by my stand, however, regardless of how the court sees my role here. Now, Miss Vasquez, do you have an explanation? I can't believe it, Edgey is helping me. Yep, he's doing that. So the prosecution is the current with the defendants? What kind of court is this? You know, the court is attorney, so yes. Expect to be some more. No matter. I think you misunderstood me. Oh yeah? Then explain it yourself. I have a perfectly good reason to believe there will be no results. Very well, the witness will change their testimony to reflect this reason. I know the hammer was injured and couldn't do any action sense, so I left them behind. And this is where you are wrong here, my dear Vasquez. How do you know about the injury? How do you know? Sal. He told me. Sarà the director. You performed something to make this on her here. Everything we done will not have been posted. Yeah, no, Maya. Du är unik. Good him. Oh yes. And like I said before, here Miss Vasquez, you did a large mistake. Because the one injured, it wasn't Mr. Hammer. It was Mr. Powers. So, my dear Vasquez, you just contradict yourself, and so this is a freaking contradiction about this case. I mean, about this statement. You knew that Emma was injured? Don't you think that's a little funny? I mean, it was listed somebody was injured. It was Will Powers. Yep. What? Hahaha. Sucks to be you. Mr. Wright, explain yourself. Yes, Mr. Hammer is dragging his leg in the photo. But that's because he was pretending to be Mr. Powers. Yep. Pretending? One person was injured in the room that morning. The person was Mr. Powers, not Mr. Hammer. Yep. Now, why did you think it was Mr. Hammer who was injured? I already said it was Sal who told me. Oh yeah? Sounds strange. That's right. He must have been going wrong. I think not. Nope. Mr. Manella was at the room show that morning. You will never know he was Mr. Powers who was injured. He saw it happen. Why would I tell you the wrong person? Miss Vasquez. You saw Mr. M limping, obviously. Actually, you didn't hear anything from Mr. Manella. You saw Mr. M limping with your own eyes. Yep, she sure did. Yes, but wasn't Mr. Powers who was injured? Yes, but I remember. Mr. M was dragging his leg too. He was pretending to be Mr. Powers. Huh. And when was he doing this? Well, I would have to have been after he put on this samurai costume. That's right, Edgey. That's why the time he went to the studio too, where he was murdered. Yep. Exactly. Miss Vasquez, you met him, didn't you? You saw the steel samurai limping. And Mr. M was in the steel samurai suit. That's why you were confused. That's why you thought it was Mr. M who had been injured that morning. Ha ha ha. Order, order, I will have order. Witness. Can you refute this claim? Nah. Yeah, let's see how sneak out this one, Vasquez. Very well. I have a question for you. Okay. Look. Why would the killer was always persistent? Because it's how the villain in this game are, Phoenix. That's why. Where in the world will I want Mr. Hammer dead? Yes, he had fallen on the hard times, but he was a star. He had nothing to gain from his death. Nothing. Yes, you will need a motive. Why would she have killed the victim? There is a reason in close to this court. Does that depend on anything to say on the matter? In other words, can you prove that she had a motive?